Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll rationalize the denominators of these two expressions. Let's start with the first one, 2 square root 5 over 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 2. We have to rationalize the denominator, 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 2. We have to get rid of the square root. For that, we have to use the conjugate method. Conjugate expression is an expression that has the same terms but the opposite sign between the terms. The conjugate of this denominator expression is 2 square root 5 minus 3 square root 2. So we should multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2 square root 5 minus 3 square root 2. We should keep the numerator expression as it is. In the denominator, we should distribute the terms using the FOIL method. Two square root 5 times 2 square root 5 is equal to 4 square root 25. We multiply the 2's and the 5's. Next we do 2 square root 5 times negative 3 square root 2. I get negative 6 square root 10. We multiply 2 and negative 3 and 5 and 2. Next, we multiply 3 square root 2 and 2 square root 5. I get 6 square root 10. Next, we multiply 3 square root 2 and negative 3 square root 2. We multiply 3 and negative 3, which is equal to negative 9. And square root 2 times square root 2 is equal to square root 4. Next, we should combine like terms in the denominator. Negative 6 square root 10 and plus 6 square root 10 cancel each other out. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 4 is 2. Next, we can cancel the 2's. Next, we should distribute square root 5 in the parentheses. We should multiply both terms in the parentheses by square root 5. Square root of 25 is 5. This should be the final answer for the first expression. We have rationalized the denominator. We cannot combine these terms because these are not like terms. Now we can work on the second expression. Square root of 3 minus square root of 2 over square root of 3 plus square root of 2. We can rationalize the denominator by using the conjugate method. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator expression because we want to rationalize the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator expression is square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Next, we should distribute the terms in the numerator using the FOIL method. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to square root of 9. Square root of 3 times negative square root of 2 is negative square root of 6. Negative square root 2 times square root 3 is equal to negative square root 6. Negative square root 2 times negative square root 2 is equal to positive square root 4. We can use the FOIL method in the denominator as well. Next, we can simplify the expression in the numerator. Square root of 9 is 3. Negative square root 6 minus square root 6 is equal to negative 2 square root 6. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. In the denominator, negative square root 6 and positive square root 6 cancel each other out. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2. In the numerator, 3 plus 2 is 5. This should be the final answer for the second expression. We have rationalized the denominator. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to rationalize the denominator of expressions like these. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.